Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just Fixing Stuff. On this episode here, I'm going to show you how I swapped out my gas valve for my high efficiency furnace. This one here is a standard direct ignition gas valve for a Lennox high efficiency furnace. I don't recommend doing any of this stuff unless you are qualified. So definitely consult with a professional before attempting any of this kind of stuff. But yeah, first things first, what I did is I shut down the electrical supply to this furnace and then isolated and shut down the gas supply to this furnace. Afterwards, I cracked the union on the gas line and removed the nipple that was connected to this the gas valve itself, then disconnected the 24 volt that is connected to the gas valve, basically the top of the gas valve, which is the coil which tells the gas valve to open and close when it is time for it to. After that, I spun the gas valve off, making sure to back wrench it, because all too many times you can bend the pipe or do some damage to the valve or a whole bunch of other stuff. So I always make sure that I back wrench everything, and make sure also is what I do is that the gas valve is facing the correct way. Sounds insane, but I've done this a couple times. The gas valve has a proper orientation of which way it should go. I always properly tape up my gas fittings, always making sure to leave the first thread or two bare so that it can grab on to the female portion of the fitting. And from there, I reconnect all the gas lines, make sure everything is nice and tight, and I make sure that I do back wrench everything again, reconnect the union, reinstall those 24 volt female leads onto the male terminals on the gas valve. Then I reconnect the condensate line, and that's pretty much all there really is to it. Other than that, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment in the comment section.